So, what is for dinner?
I want a hamburger and chips.
But we're camping.
It's Monday night. Monday night is burger night and chips.
Okay, I'll make you a burger, but I'm going to smash it. Keep watching this video and I'll show you how to make a smash burger.
To make a smash burger, you make one nice big meat ball, and for that you need some extra lean mince, grated onion, tomato, 1 egg, your spices and your wheat picks. And of course, to finish your burger, you'll need your buns, butter, sliced tomato, onions if you want to, and some cheese. The mince is defrosted and ready, so I'm just going to put it here aside. Let's start with grated onion. When the onion's done, we grate the tomato. Let's just cut the top piece off to make it open. Once you've grated your onion and tomato, you just throw off the liquid. Otherwise your meatball is gonna be difficult to roll it. Then you add it together with your mince. Then you add all your spices, mince spice. We like it nice and spicy, so we add more than enough spices. Green onion spice. And a bit of garlic and chilies. And your raw egg, you just break it open. And lastly, your 1 or 2 wheat picks. First I just use one, I crush it. It's just to bind it. Makes it easier. You can use 2 slices of bread or crumbs or anything. I use wheat picks, it's easier. Of course a bit of salt and pepper. Then we're ready to mix it. Now it's nicely mixed and ready to make my meatballs. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. We just make 4, so we prefer nice big ones. There we go, ready for the braai master to go in the fire.
Okay, let's get the pan on the heat. You don't want to warm it too much. You want to take it slow, but the burgers are made on the pan. and not on the open fire. Let's just warm the pan up for a while. Okay, let's get some oil here on the pan. Then I like some fried onions with my burgers, so I'm going to fry some onions beforehand. Okay, the onions is fried nicely, so I'm going to just take it aside. Now let's start with the burgers. I've got quite a bit of oil here on the pan, and I put the meatball, place it down. Oops. And the second meatball. Let it just fry for a minute. Okay, then you take some wax paper, and that is where the smashing action comes in. You smash it down. Smash it down some more. Make it flat, and that is your smash burger, of course. Take the other patty and you smash it down as well. Even a bit more than that. That's it. That's our smash burger. Allow it to fry for a while, and then I'm going to swap it, turn it around. Ups. Fries very quickly because it's pretty thin now. Okay, while it's frying, we just put a bit of some young rice barbecue sauce, just some basting. It just gives it a nice taste. Okay, so what we're going to do on the burger is pack the bun with some chutney at the bottom and some fried onions, and just put a piece of cheese on top of the burger. And allow the cheese to heat a bit, that's it. Put it on the bun. Okay, we got some tomatoes on here. Okay, the burger's already. It's called the smash burger. Seën Vader wat ons eet, laat ons nou maar die dans ontwil en vergeet. Amen. Okay, let's enjoy our burger, smash burger. Nice. I know it too. Because it's quick and easy to make a smash burger at a campsite. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.